You can use conditional formatting in Excel to automatically highlight cells based on their content. Apply a rule or use a formula to determine which cells to format.
Highlight cells based on rules. For example, in this data we want to highlight all records that are greater than 80. Step 1. Select the range of data on which you want to apply conditional formatting. On the Home tab, in the Styles group, click Conditional Formatting. Step 2. Click Highlight Cells Rules and choose Greater Than. Step 3. Enter the value 80 and select a formatting style. Click OK. Result: Excel highlights the cells that are greater than 80. If we change the value of any cell to greater than 80, Excel changes the format of that cell automatically. Now, let's see how to clear conditional formatting that we just applied. To clear a conditional formatting rule, select the range. Click Clear Rules and choose Clear Rules from selected cells. And the conditional formatting would be clear.